Hello. For the bank holiday weekends, most of us should have some fine weather. Certainly, it looks a bit milder than it has been for most of this week. It's been a pretty cold week. The weekend promises temperatures closer to the average for the time of year. Now, things do get a bit complicated after Saturday, but for most of us, the first day of the long weekend is set fair with some sunshine before we see cloud building and the threat of some rain. More on that in a moment, though. First of all, let's get through Friday night. 1 or 2 showers dotted about, but for most, it's a dry night. And with clear skies, turning a little bit chilly out there. Not as cold as recent nights when we've seen frosts, but temperatures still dropping widely down into single figures, 6 or 7 Celsius. And a pocket or two of frost is not completely off the cards. However, most of us will have a fine start to Saturday. Yes, a little bit of a chill in the air, but generally sunny spells. More cloud over the Western Isles. There'll be a little bit of rain here. And 1 or 2 showers just dotted about through the day, but they really are dotted about. For most, it will be dry and fine. We'll see some cloud bubbling up through the day, but generally hanging on to sunny spells. Temperature-wise, up into the teens for most of us. Still a bit chilly with a breeze off the sea in Aberdeenshire, but elsewhere, temperatures, well, much higher than they have been throughout this week. As I said, 15, maybe even 16 degrees Celsius. Having a barbecue on Saturday evening, then those temperatures will fall away quite sharply. It's not going to be warm, but it is by and large going to stay dry. The breeze will be picking up through Saturday, and it could get quite gusty through Saturday evening, particularly in the west. Now, further west, if I just head out the way, you'll see an area of rain. Now, that is the complication as we go into the weekend. We've been tracking this set of weather fronts, this area of low pressure for the last few days, and it's been giving us a few problems, and there's still some uncertainty about the forecast. But look, as that low pressure system approaches, how the isobars squeeze together. So the winds will really be strengthening as we go through Sunday. Could be quite a blustery day, bringing some cloud at times to northeast Scotland. And then the cloud and rain start to edge in. Now, there's still some uncertainty about exactly how far in this rain gets. It may end up in parts of Wales, maybe Northern Ireland. Eventually, some could reach southeast England. But the main focus for the rain, southwest England. But even here, I don't think it'll rain all day. And much of Scotland, much of Northern England, Eastern England, having a fine day. Temperature-wise, again, 15, 16 degrees with a bit of sunshine, but feeling quite cool in that breeze, particularly along those North Sea coasts. Now, as we go through Sunday evening, we'll see more of that rain pushing northwards and eastwards, but it's also at the same time sort of fizzling out. So as we go into Bank Holiday Monday, we're just left really with a band of showers. Again, though, this could be a bit further north or further south. And then through Monday itself, further scattered showers may well develop across parts of England and Wales. They could be on the heavy side, but I don't think it's going to rain all day anywhere. Actually, for many of us, it'll be dry and bright with some sunshine. And temperatures, again, higher than they have been for much of this week. Just need to watch out for a bit more rain pushing into the southwest later on. Quite a bit going on then through the course of the weekend, and still some uncertainty, but most of us having a fine day on Saturday, just an increasing risk of seeing a bit more cloud, and for some of us, but by no means all of us, a bit of rain later on in the weekend. Stay tuned to the forecast for more updates, and there's always plenty more on the Met Office website.